Here I've got Oppo A52 and let me show you how to change navigation bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we are set up with button navigation bar. The first icon is for going back, then the one in the middle is for your home screen, and these three horizontal lines are for recent apps. So this is it, this is how it works. But if you would like to change it, if you would like to apply gesture navigation bar, you have to open the settings and you can just enter in search area navigation, click on navigation buttons, and now you can switch them, so you can change the layout, but also you can swipe to gestures. So just click here and now you've got gesture navigation bar. So all you need to know, if you would like to go back to previous site, you just have to slide from right to left or from left to right, it doesn't matter. It works the same for both options. Then if you would like to go back to your home screen from whichever menu, just slide up, and as you can see now you're back on your home screen. And if you would like to see the recent items, just grab it up and hold for a while, and now you've got all recent apps. So this is it, this is how you can switch buttons mode to navigation, to gesture navigation. Enjoy, thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.